Hey there, it's Fillmore Dental Group. If you're tired of missing teeth, you are not alone. Lucky for you, implant-supported dentures are the cutting-edge solution to restore missing teeth. First off, what are implant-supported dentures? Implant-supported dentures involve anchoring a full denture to dental implants surgically placed into your jawbone. Usually, 4 to 6 dental implants are utilized to anchor down the denture. What makes them better than dentures? There are many reasons. For starters, they stay in place without fear of falling out. They also look and feel just like natural teeth, which is exactly the solution you are looking for. Plus, there are more benefits. Say goodbye to the adhesive container you have for keeping normal dentures in place. Implant-supported dentures are easy to clean, just like normal teeth, and make eating and speaking a whole lot easier. With this solution, you'll feel way better about yourself and your teeth. What is the cost of an implant-supported denture? They range anywhere from $20,000 to $45,000 per arch. This includes the implants, the denture fabrication, and all the associated surgical costs. It is also worth noting that these figures can vary based on geographical location and the specific rates of each dental clinic. The best place for implant-supported dentures is at Fillmore Dental Group. Our doctor, Dr. Mauricio Fonradona, is an accomplished ABOI diplomate and AAID fellow, whose work is highly acclaimed by past patients. If you're missing your teeth, getting a free consultation is less than a 5-minute call away. If there's one thing to take away from this video, it's that implant-supported dentures are great for anyone who is missing teeth. Visit us online today to read our full article on implant-supported dentures, or to schedule your free consultation. You can also call 8052653366 for more information and to get started.